Shalom, shalom, peace and blessings to you all. Hope you have a smile on your face like I do. What an amazing day to be alive. And if you woke up this morning, just take a moment and say, thank you, Father. It might be small and simple, but it means a lot. Trust me. So many people did not have that opportunity today to say thank you because they're not here, right? Having said that, greetings to all of my YouTube followers, Facebook and TikTok, all you guys from all your respected places all over the world, from South Africa to Asia, to South America, to India. I have a lot of followers in India. I got people all over the world, guys, that are tuning in to me on YouTube. So to all of you all over the world, I don't want to forget anybody, especially here in the US. I salute you all and thank you again for subscribing, okay? What I want to tell you is I want to take a moment and teach you or show you how to take your cryptocurrency, whether it be with the MetaMask wallet or Exodus. You know, there's a ton of wallets. I'm going to show you how to take that money or that crypto and turn it into cash and put it into your bank account or into your PayPal account, et cetera, et cetera. Because a lot of you, if you're fairly new to this, you're slightly intimidated. And some of you, you're with me with bytnex and some of the other things that I'm doing like Valtoro, but you don't know how to take that money from your wallet, your external wallet, and turn it into fiat. You just don't know how to do it yet. So I have something I want to show you on the website. The website is called boomchange.com. boomchange.com. You'll see it on the screen. You'll know exactly how to do that. I'm going to show you how to take it. Go to that website. I'm going to show you how to actually click on a certain feature, and however you have the money in your external wallet, I'm going to show you how to take it from there, put it in Boom Change, and then have that money go directly to you through your debit card or your credit card or your PayPal account, etc., etc. Let's get into this right now. See you on the other side. Okay, everyone, I'm back. Let's get right into this. Hey, if you have your laptop, go to your laptop and type in boomchange.com. And then most of you are probably going to be on your phone. You're on the run because that's just how this age is today, right? Everybody's on the move. If you're on your phone, because that's what I'm doing now, I'm recording from my phone, go to boomchange.com. Okay, when you get there, you're going to notice something here. It'll say exchange crypto. Now, I told you guys on my other videos, a lot of you, if you're following me with bytnex, formerly cryptex, or if you're with me with Valtoro, or if you're in bytnex, some of the other ones that actually, you make profits daily with crypto and you want to cash out on your profits. If you do that, you need to have a really good source. First of all, I recommend having a really good, I recommend having a really good external wallet that's decentralized. Okay, so something like Exodus or MetaMask or Trust Wallet, they're really, really good. There's some other ones too, but if you have one of those and you start making money, you start making your crypto, you start making your profits, a good thing to do is to make sure that you know where to go to turn that money into that crypto into fiat when you're ready to start, having access to the funds. Okay, there are some of them that I named earlier. Some other videos that I talked about. Some of them have good debit cards. You guys might have heard Valtoro Life, and what's the other one that I like? And it's connected to Miracle Neo. So those two are really, really good. They have debit cards, etc., etc. There's a few other ones that are really, really good. Banker's card is good, and SafePal. SafePal now has a debit card. It's just not available in the U.S. where you can use it. You send and that's a really good wallet. You can use that and just buy goods and services just like you normally would with that crypto debit card, okay? But if you don't have any of those, this is the next best thing that you should do, okay? So let's get started here. So take a look here. You'll see at the top, it says you send. So right there, that's what you're gonna put a certain amount of, whatever you want to send to turn into fiat, you're gonna do it right here. So I'm gonna put in $300, okay? Right? And then right next to it, you have to figure out how you want to send those funds to Boom Change. Okay? As you can see here, USDT, that's Tether. Okay? There's two types of Tether. There's Tether with Ethereum. You see that? You can do Ethereum. You can do Bitcoin, USDC, Tron. You got plenty of them here. Litecoin. All right. BNB. You see this, guys? All right. Now, those of you who are already skilled, you know how to do this. You already know how to move your crypto around. This is very easy to start for you. So you're going to put in any of these that you want to use. Now, here's my recommendation. Polygon. I'm very familiar with Polygon. XRP. What I highly recommend, if you're very intimidated right now, you're new to this stuff, what I recommend, listen to me very carefully. When you put your money in your external wallet, let's say you're using MetaMask, or you're using, the one I like is Exodus, I recommend that you swap any of these, while it's in your internal wallet, I would swap them to get BTC, okay? Why do I say that? Because BTC is the actual best way, to me, what I think is the best way to move money around, because it is the standard, okay? Okay, now, although I recommend BTC, some of you, you want to use your own, you want to use whatever you have. So if you're using USDT Tether, you're going to go here, and let's we put in 300 before, let's put that back in there again. I think I took it out. There it is. All right, so if you put $300 in Tether, USDT, if you translate, if you cash out on a Visa or MasterCard, you can see that's the first option, you're gonna get back $286, right? But you don't have to use Visa or MasterCard. You can do something. You can use other options here. You can use Cash App. Look at that. See that? You put Cash App in there. So your $300 is gonna turn into $282 if you use Cash App. Let's go down the list here. Payoneer, $282. Some of you guys, and this is one I recommend if you have a good PayPal account, you like using PayPal. PayPal, you're gonna get $285. So either way, it's gonna cost you about $15 to $20 to move this money around, right? What do we got here? We got Payer, Zelle. Let's do Zelle. They actually have Zelle, guys. Look at that. Zelle, you get $285. Okay, so you have so many options here. All right. So let me just use. Let's see. Let's do Cash App. Right? Exchange, you're gonna click exchange. It's gonna ask you for some information, all right? So I'm gonna put, just for the sake of time, I'm gonna put in my name, Jimmy. I'm gonna put last name, Test. You guys know me though. My Cash App, I'm not gonna put my actual tag in there. I'm just gonna put Test in here, just so you see what this looks like. Enter an email address. So I'm gonna do test@gmail.com. All right, I'm going to continue. All right, so before you go any further, review, make sure everything's right. You're sending, so I'm sending 300 USDT, all right, ERC20 to my Cash App. Name's there, everything's there. I agree with the terms, I accept the terms, I'll keep going. And just wait if it moves slow. Now, check this out, guys. So here's my order number. Here's what I'm gonna do. I have to send this to Boom Change right here. See this? I either scan this or I copy and paste this right here. See that? That long address right there. So when you send it to them, you click I have paid. That's step 2. Click the I have paid button. And step 3, after you made the deposit and it's been credited to your account, it will take about 60 up to 60 minutes. So it will take about an hour to get it. So again, you're gonna go to your external wallet. Okay, so if you're sending it from your Exodus wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, you're gonna copy and paste or scan this code right here, right? You're gonna put it in the system. You're gonna put a little note there, click I have paid, and you're gonna wait. You see that? So you're gonna go, no, let me just back up here, make sure you got this. You see this button right here that says I have paid? You don't do that until you go ahead and you send the money first. So you're gonna go to your wallet, that's step 2, copy and paste this, or click on this, scan this, okay? Step 2, come back here to this page, click on I have paid, right? That's what I'm doing right now. Even though I haven't done it yet, I'm just clicking so you guys can see that. okay? And you're just gonna wait. Now, I didn't put anything in there, so it's not gonna go to the next page, but if you do that, that's exactly how you do it. Now, if you have any problems with this transaction, you're gonna go right here to where it says info@boomchange.com, shoot them an email, or pick up the phone and call them. It's 850-280-0803. You see that? So they're really, really good. They're guys, I've been using them a long time. They're pretty legit, all right? And that's how you do a withdrawal from your MetaMask wallet to your bank account, to your PayPal, to your Cash App. That's how you do it, all right? This same thing applies if you use any other options. It's going to be the same thing. You're going to get this code right here. You're going to send those funds to them directly. You're going to come back here and click on I have paid, and that's pretty much it, all right? Don't make this more complicated than it really is, guys. I've seen people get so frustrated and they're trying to figure it out in their head. It's not hard at all, all right? Very, very easy. And if you have any questions with me, because guys, I'm a pretty busy guy. I don't have a lot of extra time on my hands right now, but I do have a team that will reach out and answer questions if you need them, right? You're going to email us at cryptexmillionaires@yahoo.com. Again, cryptexmillionaires@yahoo.com, and we'll be more than happy to assist you from there, okay? Have a super blessed day, and I'll see you at the